What if you could install the latest Windows 11 26H2 on any compatible PC using Microsoft's official ISO in just a few steps? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to download the official Windows 11 26H2 Insider ISO, create a bootable USB with Rufus, and install Windows 11 safely and easily. Whether you're upgrading your current PC or performing a clean installation, this guide covers everything you need to know. So, let's get started. Step 1. Download Rufus. The first thing you'll need is Rufus, a free tool that allows you to create a bootable Windows USB drive. Simply visit the official Rufus website and download the latest version. Once the download is complete, the executable file will be saved to your Downloads folder. Next, we'll download the official Windows 11 26H2 ISO. Step 2. Download the official Windows 11 26H2 ISO. Now head over to the Windows Insider Preview download page. Sign in with your Microsoft account if required. From the list of available editions, choose the latest Windows 11 Insider Preview Experimental Build 26300 edition. Click Confirm, select your preferred language, such as English, United States, and confirm once again. You'll then see the 64-bit download option. Click the download button and wait for the ISO to finish downloading. Depending on your internet connection, this may take several minutes since the file size is approximately 7 gigabytes. Once it's finished, you'll have both the Windows 11 ISO and the Rufus application ready. Step 3. Create a bootable USB using Rufus. Launch Rufus. Before continuing, make sure you've connected a USB flash drive with at least 8 gigabytes of storage. A 16 GB USB drive is recommended for the best experience. Rufus will automatically detect your USB device. Click Select, browse to the Windows 11 26H2 ISO you downloaded earlier, and open it. You can also rename your USB drive if you'd like. For example, Windows 11 26H2. Leave the remaining options at their default settings unless you have specific requirements. When prompted, Rufus also provides optional Windows customization settings, including bypassing hardware requirements for unsupported PCs, creating a local account, and other installation preferences. Choose the options that best fit your needs. When you're ready, click Start to begin creating the bootable USB. The process usually takes a few minutes depending on the speed of your USB drive. Once the status changes to Ready, your Windows 11 installation USB is complete. Step 4. Install Windows 11 26H2. Now you're ready to install Windows 11. Open your newly created USB drive and run setup.exe if you're upgrading your existing Windows installation. Alternatively, boot directly from the USB drive if you want to perform a clean installation. During setup, choose either Upgrade to keep your files and apps or Custom Installation for a completely fresh installation. If you're performing a clean install, be sure to back up your important files before formatting any partitions. After installation begins, your PC will restart several times while Windows completes the setup process. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded the official Windows 11 26H2 ISO, created a bootable USB using Rufus, and you're ready to install the latest Windows 11 Insider build. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to TechGetter Official, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest Windows 11 updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.